very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your home. I am your Khushbu ma'am. Children, tell me, what did we learn in previous session in English? Yes, we learned letters A to Z. So today we will do revision of letters A to Z. Are you ready for today's session? Yes. So let's start our today's session with song. Children, sing with me. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Repeat with me. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Let's sing a beautiful song. When we want someone to help, when we want someone to help, what do we say? What do we say? Please, please, please. When someone helps us out, what do we say? What do we say? Thank you, thank you, thank you. When we make someone cry, when we make someone cry, what do we say? What do we say? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Children, did you enjoy this song? Yes. Now we are going to revise letters A to Z. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for yummy ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for soap. T for top. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Ma'am will give you one practice worksheet. Let's see the worksheet. Children, in this worksheet, you have to find the hidden picture by joining the dots from A to Z. And then you can color it. ये वर्कशीट में आपको दिए हुए लेटर्स को ज्वाइन करना है और पिक्चर बनाना है और बने हुए पिक्चर में सुंदर रंग भरना है. Children, you can do this worksheet in your English classwork book, page number 49.
Bye-bye, my tiny tots. Have a nice day. See you soon.